Here are 3 exercise progressions for people with acute and subacute low back pain. Level 1 is hook lying. Always maintain a neutral spine. Level 2 is single leg tabletop. Make sure you perform sets with right and left leg in the tabletop position. Level 3 is tabletop. Breathe out as you bring your arms down to your side. Breathe in while your arms return to the start position. Controlled movement is essential to receive maximum benefit. The exercises must be completed pain-free and use the correct movement pattern with proper core engagement before progressing to the next level.